How to fix EA Sports FC Mobile loading problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. From General, simply tap on iPhone Storage. Now once you are inside iPhone Storage, search for EA Sports FC Mobile and then tap onto it. And once you are in this page, simply tap on Upload App and then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once done, simply head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. Now once you open it up in the search bar, search for EA Sports. And once you search for it in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, simply long press the app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.